Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Ceramic Garage. Behind me we have a 2023 Ford Bronco Wildtrak with a really nice green color to it. We got a chance to put one of our most popular films on the front doors to match the rear half. It's the XR Ceramic XPEL version of a ceramic film. It's a really high quality, high heat rejection product. We have frameless doors behind us, so if you can see, everything is all the way to the top edge. We do micro edge, that way we don't leave any gaps on everything. It is all computer cut. We do a professional install. When it's done, it takes about a 4-day cure process, but he's gonna have up to 88% infrared rejection. He's also gonna have 99% UV rejection, so he'll be really comfortable driving. I don't know if you guys have seen the screen, but the screen on this car is wicked. It's a huge screen on it. I love what they did with it. Interior is nice. This thing's an off-road machine. We have a non-ammonia product that he's going to be using to clean the windows when it's done. It's very important that ammonia doesn't go on window tint, so we do offer that. It is a product that we manufacture also. This customer might be coming back summertime to do the rear half of the windows also. Stay tuned guys for more products and more installations that we work on. We got a ton of projects inside. Stay tuned for the next ones.